Once tell me questions are done, examiner will ask you one show me question while you are driving. So make sure driving is important. Keep the control of the car and don't be wobbly. Keep a good grip of the car. And if examiner asks you any show me question, if you know, do it when it is safe to do so. You don't need to rush into it. And if you don't know, just don't do it. Just ignore it and tell the examiner that you don't know. They might give you minor fault for that. Okay, so the first question will be, examiner will ask you, show me where is the front demister and how to put it on. So examiner will ask you while you're driving, when it is safe to do so, can you put the front demister on please. So here is the front demister. Okay, this sign, identify it, and while you're driving, when it is safe to do so, put it on. Okay, and keep driving, and when it is safe you can put it back off. Okay, so that'll be on and put it back off. The examiner may ask you while you are driving, when it is safe to do so, show me how to put the rear demister on. So this is the rear demister on. See this rectangular one, press it on, yeah, and while you're driving, and when it is safe, put it back off. Okay, so these two questions are for demister, front and rear demister. Then examiner might ask you while you're driving, when it is safe to do so, can you use your horn please. So horn is here, press it like that. Okay, while you're driving, examiner may ask you, when it is safe to do so, can you put the dip light on. So if you see here, okay, that's the one. Okay, so this rotator, okay, this button, and this is 0, this is parking, this is dip, and this is on auto. So all you need to do is, as it is 0 now, all you need to do is do twice. That will be dip light here. Look at that. Okay, and anything you do with the lighting, you have to put the dip lights on, and then you can do the beam and fog lights. Okay, so examiner may ask you, when it is safe to do so, can you put the beam light on. So if dip is off, put it on and push it forward like that. Okay, see there, that's blue light up there. Okay, and put it back off. Make sure while you're driving, put it back off, because you're going to blind the people coming ahead of you. Okay, so that's off again. So while you're driving, examiner might ask you, show me how to put the fog lights on. Okay, and fog light is inside here. Okay, so one time is the front fog light and two time is the back fog light. That's it. See, so this is off, one which is green color, it is front fog light, and one more time is a orange one, is a back one. So put them off. Okay, that's good, and put the dip light off. So while you're driving, examiner asks you, can you show me how to put the front wipers on. So you have to put it down like this, and the wiper will start working. Okay, so one time if you do it down, it will start working. If they ask you, can you wipe or clean the front windscreen, so you have to pull. Yes, pull your side, okay, or push maybe forward one way. So I'm pulling it like this. That's it. Okay, so that is the front. Okay, if examiner asks you, when it is safe to do so, can you put the back wipers on. So the back wiper will be this rotating button. So rotate it, currently it is on 0. So one time, okay, the back wiper is on now. Okay, back to 0, off. And if they ask you, can you clean the rear windscreen, so all you need to do is twist it down like this. The water will come out and clean the windscreen itself. Okay, so these are the questions examiner might ask you. One of them is going to ask you, obviously, or maybe sometime they ask you, show me when it is safe to do so, how to do the window up and down. So the window button is here. Okay, That's driver side window. That's the passenger side. This is the back, and back driver side and back passenger side. Okay guys, they were show me and tell me questions. Make sure you watch the full video and remember them, whatever I taught you today. And if you have a time, go on the DVSA website. All these questions and answers are written up there. Make sure you read them and memorize them. And if examiner asks you any one of them, just give them the right answer, because it will leave a good impression. If you don't know them, it doesn't leave a good impression in front of the examiner. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe it and share it with your family and friends. Thank you very much.